Now, massage guns have become very popular and are very successful in treating muscle tightness, pain, as well as improving circulation. They're even good for people like me over 60 years old.
So we have 12 different massage heads here, and you may be confused which ones you should use, so we have narrowed it down to show you the best options. So we have used massage guns for years with ourselves, with our patients, and different clientele, and we know what works and what really doesn't.
Now, we feel very confident in this information. As a matter of fact, Bob feels so confident about this, he has gifted through Christmas gifts 327 massage guns to his family.
Did you count them all?
Well, no, but he does have 8 sisters and 2 brothers and about 300 nieces and nephews and cousins, and most of them have gotten a massage gun. So actually, I'm joking a little bit about Bob, but he has actually gifted a lot of these guns. He really likes them as well as we do. And the big question of today's video is, we have all these 12 or 13 massage heads, and which ones do you really need and which ones really work? We are going to give you that information right now. Okay, so one of the very most universal heads that there are, in our opinion, my opinion, is the round head. And it works so well because it's universal in regards to how you can address the massage. For example, we get it going and you want an aggressive massage on your forearm, you go straight in with the round head and it works out very well. If you want to vary the resistance or the direction of the massage so it turns from a deep massage into a cross friction massage, which is very beneficial, is to actually turn the head 90 degrees like this, then you can do a cross friction massage. We've advocated this with great success in a number of our videos.
Now, they're all pretty similar in shape. The size can differentiate between the models, and some are rubber and some are more foam, but they all work pretty much the same.
Very good. So the one is round head. Let's go to number 2. All right, the next head is actually a new head out on the market. We really like it, and we're absolutely amazed how well it works. Here's the shape of it, and it actually has a cold or a hot setting, 2 levels of cold, 2 levels of heat, and it really works well. I thought for sure they could never do that with a package like this, but it works well. We do sell it with our Bob and Brad C2 gun, and again, it heats up very quickly. You can feel it. Now, I thought when you put it on the cold mode, your body would heat it up and you would not feel the cold after using it for 20 or 30 seconds. It's not the case. It continues to keep that cold surface, and it really makes a difference when you're working the massage, depending if you're a hot person or a cold person. Mike, you have anything to say on this one?
The head itself is rechargeable and is battery operated, so if it is not working, it just needs a charge.
That's right. Now, one of the things about these percussive massage guns is they actually can get aggressive, particularly if you use the head near a bone. But if you use the air head, it's actually cushioned and soft. Not all massage guns have the air head. Make sure you get a massage gun with an air head. Mike, what are some of the benefits that you're demonstrating?
I can go right on my bone here, and it is not painful at all. I'm on my elbow, which normally hurts if you hit it just right, or my kneecap, no problem at all, not painful. They do come in different sizes, obviously, depending upon which massage gun model you have.
Let me make it clear, however, you do not want to massage on a bone on purpose like Mike was doing. But it's simply when you get close to the bone on a tendonitis, which is very common treatment with a massage gun, it really takes out that danger of pain if you hit the bone, if you're using a hard, very rigid head. Now, in regards to heads and what they're made of, now this is something that's just come about in the last year or so. Most heads were made of a hard plastic material, which works good, but they can be a little aggressive, and now they've changed it to these soft foam heads. They look very similar, but you can see these are kind of like an airhead, but they're not. They're less aggressive than the hard head. Just make sure that you know what you're purchasing when you get it. Mike has a sample here.
Yes, this one is more rubberized. This one is a firm plastic here. Obviously, the rubberized one is going to be a little bit softer. The size difference is just these are for different models of massage guns.
Right. The big picture is know what material that you're buying with your gun. And the final and number 5 head we're going to talk about is the bullet head. Now, I'm going to say in general, if you're a thinner person or you're an older person, 55 or older, this is going to be used with caution. They get very aggressive. If you have a lot of muscle and you want to get deep into the muscle to break up a knot, this will work well. Bob used to use this one a lot on his calves. I think he's got his calves loosened up now, but the bullet head really works well to get in deep, but it is aggressive, so don't get it if you're concerned about being too aggressive.
Yes, this massage gun is great for any pinpoint or trigger points you may have in large muscle groups like the thighs or even the calf region. Just kind of palpate around, you find a tender area, maybe work around it a bit till it loosens up, and then if you want to get more aggressive with it and it feels okay, you can certainly push down in there and it'll really get that tension released.
That's right. All right, so these are our favorite 5 massage heads for the reasons we mentioned. Now, these 3 are the 3 that I personally like the best and use the most. Everyone has their own liking, but I think you'll really find this information helpful when choosing out massage heads and treating your own self. Mike?
Now, if you're looking to purchase a massage gun, you can click the video link here explaining what massage gun may be right for you.
That's right. That's a nice video as well.
Bob and Brad, the 2 most